All right, so this first one is going to be going over irrational square roots. Irrational square roots are square roots that are not perfect. The first thing we are going to do is we're going to identify, so we're circling, all of our perfect squares. So we have 1, which is 1, 4, which is 2 squared, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. So those are all of our perfect squares. We need to mark those up on our sheet because that's going to help us with our next part. Sorry, it gets a little blurry off and on. You're going to have to bear with me. So get that marked up on your paper, in your notebook. I highly recommend taking notes while we're doing this. All right, the next part is the actual practice. So we are going to use our resource. We always want to make sure we have our resources available, especially if you don't have those perfect squares memorized, to help us with our problems. So the first example is square root of 35. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to this number line and I'm going to find 35. It is right there. I see 35 is between square root of 25 and square root of 36. So it's between 5 and 6. My answer is going to be between 5 and 6. All right, our next one is square root of 5. I'm going to go up to my number line. I see square root of 5 right there. It is going to be between 2 and 3. So I'm going to go down here. All right, 2 and 3. Our next guy is square root of 12, so I go back up to my number line. Here's my 12. My 12 is between 9 and 16. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. So my answer is going to be between 3 and 4. Go ahead and try the next 3 examples and then resume the video to check. Alright, hopefully you tried those on your own. I'm going to check them with you. So next we're doing 99. I go up to my number line. I find 99 right here. I see it's between 81 and 100. So my answer is going to be between 9 and 10. Next I'm going to go to 66. I see 66 right here. So my answer is between 8 and 9. My last one is square root of 80. I see my 80s right here. So again, it's between 8 and 9. All right, the next portion of this is you are going to do your quiz retake. So go ahead and move on to that step.